Cardboard mini ghosts are a great way to use up supplies you probably already have lying around your house. For this project, you will need a piece of scrap cardboard, pieces of white yarn of various textures, black felt, hot glue, and scissors. To begin, you're going to cut an arc shape out of your piece of cardboard. You can make it as tall or as wide as you like, and it does not need to be perfect. Then we will begin hot gluing our pieces of yarn to our cardboard. You're going to start with the piece on the outside. Try to get this piece to cover up the edge so that you don't see the edge of your cardboard through the yarn. Then you will continue gluing piece after piece of yarn from the outside in until all the cardboard is filled. I have another tutorial on my YouTube channel where I made a giant rainbow using this exact same technique, except I used a piece of foam board and larger pieces of yarn. You can find that tutorial by searching how to make a giant yarn scrappy rainbow on my channel. When you're done filling in your cardboard, you're going to trim your ends to make them a little more even, but they do not need to be perfect. Then you're going to hot glue your felt eyes and mouth to your ghost. And that's it. If you want to turn them into a garland, you can hot glue them to a piece of rope or yarn, and you can add little pieces of ribbon to add a little bit of color and excitement.